Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So this is a gel polish mani. So I've applied, or I'm going to apply, one coat of Born Pretty's base coat to all of the nails and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I did buff these nail tips and brush off the buffing dust before I went in with the base coat. And so I'm just applying a thin coat of that to all of the full coverage gel nails. I think these are by Tay, T-A-Y-E, on Amazon. And once I get that cured, I'm going in with Born Pretty's semi jelly. This is like a really light green with hints of gold, and so this is again a jelly color, so it's a quite sheer. And so I will be applying one coat of that to the nails and then cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I will go in and apply a second thin coat to all nails and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So this is a real simple mani. One thing that for me, like in theory, this color was very pretty, and I shouldn't say in theory. In person, this color is really pretty. However, once I put the nails on, I didn't feel like the color complemented my skin tone. That's just me personally. And so after I get that second coat of gel polish cured, I'm going in with an alcohol wipe and I'm removing the inhibition layer from the nail from curing. And so I have these white and gold nail stickers. I believe I got these off of Shein or Temu, one of them. And so I'm just going to apply nail stickers to each of the nail. Now, one thing with these nail stickers, they ripped really easy, like really easy. I don't show all nails on camera because they started ripping and it started ticking me off. But I'm just applying those to the nail, and I'm taking the silicone end of my nail art tweezers and pressing that down. And so I thought it went well with the nail color. It stood out, but not too much. Plus I like the gold in the stickers because the polish itself had hints of gold in there. And so initially I was going to apply the stickers on just a few nails, but I end up doing all of the nails, applying nail stickers to all of the nails. Since some of the nail stickers were too wide for the nail, once I get it placed, I'm going in with my nail scissors and I'm just cutting off excess from the sides of the nail that's hanging off. You make sure you want to do that. Now, it would be a little bit harder if these were actually on my hand. It still can be done, but it's just easier when you don't have the nails actually attached to you, if that makes sense. And so once I get those the excess cut off of the nail and the nails where I want them, the stickers placed where I want them to be, I'm going to encapsulate these nails. So I do use Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue gel, apply that, and I do believe I end up top coating, putting a layer of top coating curing. I can't remember, I recorded this video a while ago and just now getting around to doing my voiceover. So I apply that cure. I think I then go in with top coat and cure, and then I file and buff the nails. I file and buff the nails, and then I wipe off excess filing dust and I apply a layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds just to kind of further encapsulate these stickers. And it worked because when I popped these nails off, I actually had my scrubs on. I put them in my scrub pocket, and I ended up washing them, and they held up in the wash, believe it or not. So that method worked. You don't have to do that, but do whatever works best for you. Do what works best for you. And so yeah, I actually did top coat. So top coat, cured, did my filing and buffing, and then I top coated again. So as previously mentioned, I'm going in with a layer of top coat. Again, you can see the nails look cloudy because I did file and buffing. And so I'm going in with a layer of top coat, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And I am an affiliate of Born Pretty. I will have a discount code that will save you 10% off your purchase in the description box below should you decide to make a purchase on their website, not their Amazon store, but their website. And so I do apply these nails with sticky tabs. And so again, I thought they were pretty. Nice neutral colors, perfect for spring. However, I did not like this color against my skin tone. So here are the nails off of the nail stand. Don't they look so pretty on that little palette? But anyway, and here are the nails on. Again, as I mentioned, I did apply them with sticky tabs. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.